Here is my analysis, and this is what in this trade. We've been having uh, higher high, higher low, higher high, and here is it over here. We've been having higher high, high low, higher high, high low, higher high. If you look at this closely, you will see that when this high got broken, market came back, tapped into it, and that is what I'm expecting over here too. So market got here, and I saw this wicks right here, and I saw this huge reversal candle. So with this, I couldn't make my decision. I went further down to lower time frame because I expect this to come down here. From here, we should go higher to this point. So whenever I find this kind of trade, it has always been double trades for me to find. So from 4 hours, I went down to 1 hour. And when I go to 1 hour, this is what I found. Here, you can see as we're having higher high, high low, higher high. Let me break it down. This is higher high. This is low of this high. Now, then we have another higher high. We have another high low. We have higher high. We have higher low. We have higher high. We have a low here. We have higher high. And this was the last low here got broken. So this tells me that we have a change of character over here. So when we have change of character and we have uh, this low got broken, there was a kind of pullback around this place, and we have continuation to the downside. So that makes me to see something. I went further down to investigate it. If I did not expand the candles, I wouldn't see surely what is happening over here. So what they really did is that we have this break of structure around this place pertaining to this area. So when this happened, this is break of structure, market pullback and broke this structure again. So this is the most recent structure that got broken over here. Market broke it and came back into the origin of the break of structure. So what I trade is break of structure. I trace the origin of the break of structure and look for its fair value gap, which is this one right here. And this is the origin, which is the block for it. And the market came tapped into it, and I expect the market to come down. This should be my first TP around this place. So if that is my first TP, then from there, what I saw on 4 hours should be my target at the bottom right here. I want my target to be here because after this place we will be going up. So that is what I've seen. That is the reason why I am in this. I'm following the direction of the market based on what I found on 30 minutes. So I hope this gives me a bearish candle in the next. This is just it's remaining 24 minutes over here, but I believe at the end of the day, since we have tapped into this, we'll be dropping. And I went back into 5 minutes. This is what I saw. Look at the 15 minutes. The 15 minutes order block is this place right here. When this structure got broken on 15 minutes, we have the origin of this break down here, and market has respected this by giving us this bearish candle. So it is tapped into it, and I went to 5 minutes again, seeing the same thing. This thing has tapped into it. We have seen this evening star right here. So if the evening star is not broken, I believe we should be coming down. So for me not to mess up my chart and for me to see what I I've been working on continuously. I would love to keep the chart on 30 minutes and let it run. Then after, I will have to go to 4 hours to continue to monitor what is going on here. So let me move this to the right so that we will not be affecting what we're looking at. So with this, I believe that we will be okay and everything will be fine. Okay, so now we're breaking structure to the downside. So I'll keep it here at first as we go down, 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 and down. So this is where I put my first TP, then my second TP, but I'm going to hold it like that. I want to cover this chart and I want to make it enlarged so that at the end of the day I will not be missing anything. The screen is kind of closed for me, but I want to cover the chart so that I know where we're going next. So this is the origin of this right here, and I believe market will be coming to it to tap into it right here before anything happens at all. So that is the reason why I'll be keeping this. So let's go. We'll come back to this. 15 minutes chart right here. We've seen full rejection and the market is heading down. I will let it run. So at the end of the day, we'll see what is going on. Happy viewing. This is where we are now. USDJPY. That's what I'm shorting right now. Based on breakout structure and pull back into the breakout structure. This is 30 minutes. And this is pure gold. So this is 30 minutes. Look at where I found the trade. Forget about this lumped up analysis right here. I'll go back to 50 minutes. So I've seen the rejection and I hope it continues like that. So fast forward, here is where we are now. This is 15 minutes chart and the 30 minutes chart is this. So it's very clean. I hope this goes fine. If it breaks this low, let's see. But I see here this fair value gap right here still open. That's to be filled. And this fair value gap right here has to be filled. So that's it. Fast forward, this is where we are now. Update, this is where we are now. I hope the market breaks this level. So at the end of the day, this is the result. I missed it, but here I would have to close this trade. Look at what happened. So it broke this, telling us that this is bearish now. So from there, we'll be looking at some other things. So this is serious. Ooh, come on. This is serious. Keyboard dropped, but thank God we were able to tap out of it. The origin of this break of structure is here, and I expect the market to tap into that for a pullback. This demand right here is also powerful. But I see this one is origin of this break of structure. So I expect the market, expect price to give us something like this. Back to this place to get the next higher high. So that is what I expect. And this will be the end of this video. Let me go back to 30 minutes chart. This is where I found the trade. And this is what we have now. I found this change of character. The market was giving us higher high, high high, high low, higher high, high low, higher high, high low, higher high. I'm sorry. From here, we have the first low. We have change of character around this place. But it wasn't too obvious. But the main one that got too obvious was the one that happened here when this structure broke this place. So when this happened, I saw the change of character. Yes, I waited for the pullback to happen here because this is now break of structure, the next one to this place. And when that happened, I went for this other block. So going for it, I targeted this one. And that was it. And this is ratio 1 to 5.6. It's good. I'm happy with this trade.